So you took Social Security because you lost your job. And Social Security was a godsend for a couple months, but now you got a new job offer. And you don't need Social Security. Now what do? Stay with me in this video. I'll explain how you can stop Social Security and then start it again if there's a penalty or any minefield you want to avoid. I'm Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare Family. Let my family help your family with these retirement decisions. And if you do start Social Security, let's say you started at 62 because, COVID, everybody's lost their job. And then you get an offer for a job. You know, because you follow me, that the earnings limit for 2022 is about 20 grand. And the job offer is great. It's going to be for 80 grand. So for every $2 you go over that 20 grand, they'll reduce your Social Security by $1. So you're going to go over it by 60 grand. They're going to reduce your Social Security by 30 grand. You only were going to make 20 grand. So you get no Social Security. So you're like, wow, I really messed up here. This is a mess. No, it's not. You can fix it. The government gives you one do-over, one time in your lifetime. You can call Social Security, file the form to withdraw your application and say, hey, oopsie, sorry. Now the catch is you're going to have to pay back the money. So if you've been on it for 3-4 months, you have to pay it back. You can only get this do-over, withdraw your application, if you do it within the first 12 months. So if it's in the 11th month, I'm sorry. There's something else you can do, but to get a complete do-over where you can pay the money back and let your account continue to grow as it was, have the most benefits of Social Security, you have to do it one time before the first 12 months is up. And paying the money back might be a hitch. That might be the problem. You don't have to pay interest back, but if you're also on Medicare, you would have to pay back your Medicare because they take Medicare Part B out of Social Security. So if you are able to do that, it's something that you can do. There's no penalty. There's no problem later on down the road. Whenever you do decide to retire at any age down the road, boom, then you can refile for Social Security, either at your full retirement age or before your full retirement age, if you're not working full-time and going over that earnings limit. If you have more questions about Medicare, about Social Security, getting ready for retirement, call us at the Medicare Family or ask us questions down below. Look at the description down below where I have a great Social Security cheat sheet that you can download that'll be really helpful. Pass it around to your friends and family. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.